Mastering time analysis with greater transparency through task types by TAKTIQ. Your benefits with this release. The time management add-on now provides greater transparency. You can document assembly constraints more quickly and intuitively. Overall, you'll benefit from an improved user experience. And this is how easily it's done in TAKTIQ. Open a workplace. You can add columns, such as time analysis codes. Easily search for any specific code you need. Open task types. This is how you create a task type. Give your new task type a short name and description. Then assign the relevant time analysis building blocks. Finally, apply your new task type to your workplace. You can also add a column for your task types to get a clear overview. Task types can be displayed as charts for easier analysis. With the new task types, the tooltips now provide additional information. You can choose from various display options and even refine the view by selecting a task type. You want to see TAKTIQ live? Book your initial call with Kira in just 5 minutes on taktiq.de/experience, or with the link in the description.